Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Today is Saturday, June 12th, 2021. It is the end of week number 23. I'm going to go into my ETrade account and show you all my trades and my P&L, my running P&L for the year. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and see what I'm doing on my challenge and see how you guys are doing. But before I do that, let me do a short plug. Go and join Investing 102 on Facebook group. I think this is a great place for you to learn about more advanced topics or follow along other traders. So before we begin, you'll see the S&P did go up to another record high, third straight week of going up. The Dow was up also like 2 or 3 weeks in a row. So these are all good things. So NASDAQ, I think the last 3 or 4 weeks has been trending up, and I think we're up about 4.5% in NASDAQ or something like that. But NASDAQ has not fully recovered to the all-time highs. It's still a little bit off. I don't remember when the highs, but NASDAQ did correct earlier than the S&P and the Dow. So let's go straight into E-Trade. We're going to go to our transactions. I'm just going to look for the week data, and then I'm going to just copy it one at a time or one day at a time, and then I always copy this into my spreadsheet, so I'm going to speed this part up. Okay, we paste there, copy those, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy 11, paste, copy, and paste. I'm going to speed this part up. I got to fix every cell. And I finished completing the spreadsheet, updated the cells. I numbered the trades. I put the details in here, and I used these extra column here to help me to see what I'm doing. So let's go and save this. And then let's go to the pivot. We always go up here. We hit this button over here. We'll do a refresh, and it will bring in the week's data. And then the next thing I normally do is go to the monthly tab, hit refresh over here, and just double check. I think I fixed everything. This number looks good. And there's a couple things I want to do here. I want to remove last month. I remove the month once there's enough data here on the pivot so you can see it. It looks kind of bad when you only have one or two rows. So now that we're in the second week, you'll see enough data. And I just fixed everything. So here's the final numbers for week number 23, 30 trades. I'm at trade number 651. My running P&L is 20 grand 934. You can see my trade average is dropping. I may not even hit the 1,500 trades. It's getting harder and harder to hit. But also the other thing is I'm also trading more contracts per trade. So it takes up more buying power, so it reduces some of the other trades that I normally would do. But the market is, it is what it is, and so sometimes that's what you do. We'll see what happens at the rest of the year. So let's talk through some specific trades for this week. The first one is this DocuSign. I put on this trade for a 1-day credit spread, collected 24 bucks. And for those who've been watching my video, this trade did not go for me. DocuSign actually shot up like $9 or nearly $10, and it closed at 253. It forced me to do a row. I could have lost. So the 25 bucks I could have collected, I could have just took a free X loss. It would have cost me 120 bucks or 115 bucks to close. I did a video on that yesterday. But what I end up doing was I end up rolling it, and if you see this, if you rolled it, I collected more premium, and I moved the strike price up. So, and remember, I do own some DocuSign shares, so the underlying, it was fine for me to move it up. I actually reduced the risk because when I'm moving this up, I didn't keep it a $10 wide. I made it a little bit more narrow. I think it was 750 wide now, so 750 bucks max. And so far in this trade, I collected $42, which is not a lot. But remember, I do make money. When I placed this trade, DocuSign was at 240 202 maybe, or 241 or something like that. So you make money on the underlying. I'm still making money on the options, but I'm not out of this trade yet. Next one is this cover call on Editas. I just kept on doing what I do normally every week. You see that every color, different week, different premium. I'm still playing this one. Like I said, sometimes I don't really care about what's happening with the company. I just play it. I roll options and collect a small premium. These premium help pays for all your other trades. Here's a Iron Condor I have on Visa, and I did roll the untested side up for a small premium. You'll see that here. There was 37 days left in this trade. I rolled it up for another $17 because I want to try to squeak out some more gains from this. Visa looked like it want to move past 240, and it looked like it may actually move past my short call on the other side. So what I want to do is collect some premium now to offset some of the cost for me rolling this out into August or September. So that's the thinking here. That brings this video to an end. Please comment below. Let me know what you're trading. Hopefully you're having a great green month. I know the markets look good. It's a good time to be making money, whether you're owning stock in your 401k plan or you're trading. Let me know how you're doing. Don't forget, let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time. As always, have a profitable day. Bye-bye.